on this bird trail, but I'm not walking on the catwalk. I'm walking on the original trail. And we're gonna go to the end, which is called Bald Rock, and show y'all that beautiful view. There comes Donna. And there's a lot of people that's got their dogs out here walking them. I wonder what they're doing over there. Some kind of construction or something. You could have walked on the catwalk if you wanted to.
Yeah.
You are?
I'll make you on that.
Okay. I like roughing it. I like being close to nature, not a man-made bridge. So beautiful out here. Go away, babe. You'll hear people talking, so don't mind that. Pause for a second. I gotta put some stuff in my bag. Alrighty, I'm back. Hey y'all, I am here still up on Cheaha Mountain. Donna's over there on the catwalk, and I'm roughing it on the trail, the original trail. It's called a bird trail, but I don't even see any birds. Probably because it's been really busy all day. It's just rained here, so it's just like everything's so pretty. And I wanted to share it with you guys. We're at the end of this trail is a place called Bald Rock. Huge boulder rock. There's Granddaddy Long Legs fixing to crawl onto the camera. You're sitting on a big boulder rock right now, but the one at the end here is huge. And you can see three little cities right here off of this. So I hope you enjoy the view. I love you guys. Please like, subscribe, share my videos, and comment below. Thank you. I hope you guys think this is beautiful, because I do. Look at that green moss. These big old rocks. I don't know what the little lizard or something. That was fast. Didn't want me to see him. Donna and I's already been walked on one trail today. I'm kind of wobbly-legged. Just look at that beauty. There's Donna up there. Smell the pine. The pine smells so good. Freshly rained. Like, you can't get no better fresh air than this. And like I said, you probably will hear people talking, walking on that catwalk. There's Donna. Wave, Donna. Wave.
I'm waving.
I can't see you. You're behind the tree. I think this is the end of my trail. No? Well, I don't know about going down that way. We'll see. Just taking pictures. I think my trail goes up under the catwalk. And have somebody on this trail. My trail ran out over there.
Yeah, it's over here now. It's been over here for a while.
Yeah. I should have just started out over here. Hello. Close to the end. Hope you guys enjoy this little hike. I'm trying to take my time because there's people at the end down here. Uh-oh. Bug trying to get in my ear. And I think we are at the end of this trail. Let's see. I think I can go a little bit further. So there, over there, is the end of that catwalk. But I'm going to go this way. Alright, let me stop and take a breath. So beautiful. I'll show y'all the view in a little bit. I'm going to show y'all this beautiful landscape right now. A lot of flies up here. Wonder what that was. So Cheaha is a Native American name. native name. All this land was the American Indians, Native Americans. White man took it away from them. I hear a woodpecker. I don't know where it is. It's way down there. Hey, Woody. Woody, where you at? He's just pecking away. I don't know where he's at. I can't see him. This trail goes all the way down there. I don't know how far it goes. I'm gonna go show y'all this view. And I might come back down here. I don't know why there's so many flies down here. I don't know if I can go up from this way. I don't think I'm supposed to be down here. There's Donna. I don't know if y'all can see that or not. It's kind of foggy.
Let's see, there's Duggar Mountain, Chocolate Mountain, Aniston, Oxford, Coldwater Mountain, High Queen, Mountain, Lincoln, and Talladega.
How many is that?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
9 towns. Whew. Look at all that wooded area.
Hi, how are you?
Hi.
I record you.
Whew. I'm out of breath.
Told you when it rained what it was going to do.
Ooh. Alright, y'all, I'm going to pause for a second and take some pictures. Alrighty. Just took some pictures. Gotta get up off this rock. Without falling to my death. Ooh. Kind of makes you dizzy being up here. I'm gonna come up there and take some pictures.
There's a little thing right back down there.
Yeah. Is there one on the other side too?
Well, I don't think there's one on this side. I know there's one on that side. You come up. There ain't one on this other side.
You sure?
I'm positive. I just walked it.
Makes me want to go over there anyway.
Well, let me walk back a little bit, but I can walk
Let's see. Oh, I'm scared. Okay, I thought so. Natural steps. I feel like I'm mountain climbing. I said I feel like I'm mountain climbing. Okay. Pause. Okay, guys. Donna and I are headed back out of the woods. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it wasn't too short for you. But I'm going to take you out of here on the catwalk this time. Love you. Peace.
Peace.
Okay.
Yeah, I do.
A lot of trees fell. Hey.
Oh, yeah.
Good. Probably sounds like drums. Would you believe? I don't know if y'all be able to get that with the sun shining on it like that.
That was hard.
Yeah.
They did put American Footsteps was on here now.
Yeah, they ought to have some kind of tribute. As you walk across this mountain, you will step in their footsteps. They worked, played, laughed, cried, loved, fought, and admired this mountain. Rock shelter near the base of the mountain have revealed archaeological evidence of the presence of the early Native American hunters and their family. The park and the mountain take their name from the creek. How you say that? Muskogee word.
Creek Muskogee word Cheaha.
Cheaha, which translate roughly to high place. This is appropriate since the highest place in Alabama can be found in this state park. Cheaha State Park is in what was once the large and powerful Creek Nation in Alabama. The Creeks inhabited a large area bordered on the north by southern Appalachian Mountain, on the west by the Cheaha and Alabama rivers, on the south by the Florida border, and on the east by the Georgia border. The significant battle took place in nearby Talladega during the Creek War of 1813-1814. Creek warriors took refuge in the mountains following their defeat by Andrew Jackson. The larger tribe was forced to walk the Trail of Tears to Oklahoma. The descendants who remained behind are known as Porch Band of Creek Indians, and headquarters at Porch near Atmore, Alabama. It's hard to see, y'all, because it's gotten wet inside there. They owned this land. They took this. They had this land way before white men came in. I don't care what kind of battle they lost or won. It's their land. It's our land. Of course, I'm not Creek. I'm Cherokee. But there's probably a little Creek in all of us. Roman reptiles. Yep, I don't like you. You okay, turtles. Lizards are okay. Don't like you, gray rat skid snake. What? Green aho. Anal. Gray anal. Sorry, y'all. I didn't mean to say that. This is where I was. This is where my trail went under the catwalk. It's
I was on top.
Yep. It's kind of cool right in here with all this shade.
Yes, it is.
Feels good. Sweat has been rolling off my forehead and cheeks all day. Cheeks.
Yes, we had our exercise for today.
For real. Ain't neither one of us going to be able to walk tomorrow.
Nope.
Because my legs still feel shaky.
Yeah, and mine are getting sore.
And y'all got to understand that we don't do this on a daily.
I don't do this on a daily basis. It ain't been but 2 weeks since I've had surgery.
Yeah.
I'm proud of myself.
And it's been 2 weeks since I hurt my back. But,
It has, hasn't it?
yeah.
You hurt your back when I had to go in for surgery.
Mm-hmm.
So,
But my back is not hurting. It's tight. I can feel it. You know, it's tight right now. That's just because walking a lot.
yeah.
But I think it'll do it good.
So we're doing pretty good for a bunch of old folks.
For old crippled girls. Poor old crippled girls.
This Alabama country crippled folks.
I said our footsteps probably sounds like drums. Boom, boom. Probably.
But I always heard you can't keep a good girl down.
That's right. We fight to the end.
That's it.
I really do hope y'all enjoy these videos, these next few videos.
I know it's been gorgeous.
Yes, it has.
And very relaxing.
Yes, and peaceful.
I finally got my phone to quit going off, so
Well, that's good.
I enjoyed the whole walk without it beeping.
There's that big old rock we seen.
Uh-huh.
About tripped.
Cindy's getting tired. She's dragging her feet.
Yeah, I dragged my foot.
But you really think it didn't think it was out this way, this far out.
Yeah. It didn't seem that long when I was on the trail, as it does now. This is the birdie. That was a woodpecker down there. I couldn't find it, but I heard it.
That one's close.
There's a squirrel.
Uh-huh. Look at there.
The squirrel making that noise.
Squirrel calling. We got 10 more foot and we went and sit down. Look at the beautiful rocks. Squirrels playing in the tree.
I hope it wasn't blurry all that time.
What is it?
My camera, I looked down at it and it was blurry. Mountain mammals.
Yep.
Let's see, we got skunks, bobcats, white-tailed deer, coyotes, armadillos, gray fox. Yep. Amarilla. Dance it out.
And this is the
Secret life of lynchings. Oh, that's what that gray stuff. That's hard to say. Say it fast. Green
what
gray
is the
stuff.
green gray stuff growing on the rocks? It's easy.
It's moss. Duh.
Or worms or mold.
It's moss.
No.
Huh?
Uh-uh.
It's lynching. listen, whatever that is. What's that word, y'all? Write it down in the comment below.
Created by fungus and allergy.
Lichens? Oh,
Lichens.
thank you.
I just learned it myself. I'm in pressure washing, and that stuff builds up on the side of your house.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
And I learned what it was about.
Oh, okay.
Thank you. So it's lichens.
Yeah.
Thrives in undisturbed suits where nothing else can grow. They grow on rocks, barren soil, the dark of dead.
Well, I thought it was
trees.
moss.
I thought it was
It's
moss.
beautiful.
What do you know?
I guess until it gets on your side of your house,
Well, we know it's not moss.
then it's not going to be so beautiful when you have to pay to get somebody to pressure wash it off.
Something new today.
Oh, I just hit my hip.
Say this. This right there here is the only side you can get up and down on.
Yeah. You want to walk down here with me?
Oh, Lord.
It's just a little piece.
Just a little piece. We still got a long way to go.
No, we don't. We already almost
No,
there.
we ain't no halfway. Listen to her.
Well, over halfway.
No, we ain't.
I just don't like being on a man-made thing.
Well,
I want to be on the natural trails.
I like the natural trails every now and then, but some of these natural trails gets pretty rough.
Look at there, Florida. We got sand too on the mountain. Sand on the mountain, lightning in the air. Oh no, that ain't it. It's fire on the mountain.
Fire on the
Oh, see, it feels so much better down here. So that's lichen. Lichen. Not moss.
Looks like moss.
Put that in your book and read it. Did not know. I don't know what they're doing over there. Cutting down trees.
They're building something.
God, I hope not.
It looked like air conditioner units or something.
There's too much building going on up here already.
I know, but it's a bit late.
Stop. Look at that. I feel like that Indian on the side of the road crying. For real. They're just messing it up. I think we're going to have to go this way, though. I don't know. This probably comes out up there, too. But it's uphill. Can you make it?
Yeah, that's uphill, too.
Yeah, but it's flat surface. Oh, come on, there's too many people on that anyway. I was just thinking, you know, I told him, I said, if you know that word, comment below. It would still be in writing, and I still wouldn't know what it was. That's so funny. I had a blind moment.
Not till you put it on to
In voice. Yep. Oh, Lord. Maybe they're going to make this a little park area. That's why they need power.
like what? But way down here, come on.
I don't know. Reserved for private events. Ain't that pretty? Fresh sawdust. Look at that.
That's gorgeous. No trespassing.
I don't want to trespass. Oh. Oh, that's a stick. What does that look like to y'all? It's actually a stick. Guess we're going to have to go down right here.
We in advance. It says no trespass, but
It's wide open right there. Yeah, I see that.
there's a little trail right through there. But we better not.
Better not. All right, folks. That'll be all, folks.
Folks.
All right, y'all take care. Peace.